What's up, guys? It's your boy AB, back again with another video today here on Your Auto Enthusiast, where we talk all things BMW, at least mostly. Alright, as for what the title says, we're not talking about the E92 M3 today. We are talking about the F10 535 M Sport. I'm going to get in the car here in just a moment because what we're going to do is we're going to code out that filthy start-stop function that for whatever reason they decided to go with these cars. It even has it on the E92 M3, but when I got it, it was already disabled, so I did not have to go through BimmerCode to delete that or turn that off permanently. But what we're doing in here is we are going to turn this off permanently, at least for the most part. All right, let's get right into it. Alright, here we go. So with your VP or whatever module you have, I have a VP module. Definitely go check out the how to code your BMW if you need full instructions on how to do this. I'm just going to roll right in, but you have a module. You're going to put it in your OBD2 port, and you're going to open up BimmerCode, which is what I'm doing right now. And BimmerCode can take a few minutes to get going once you select your vehicle. And we're going to continue BMW 5 Series M5 and for the F10 chassis. So you continue. Now that it has connected and read the ECU and has connected to the vehicle, very simply, you go to Car Access System where it says Auto Start Stop function. And this actually shouldn't take that long. There we go. So now you see the second section where it says Auto Start Stop function off by default. That's what you want. I've already set mine to active, but I just want to show you. So I'm going to go to not active just so I can show you where the code button is. So you hit code and then you start coding. So I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to disable that. So when you're finished, it will be back. It'll be set to active by default. So what will happen is when you start your car, I'm going to put this down. And actually, you know what? Let me just show you this. You're done coding. Now you can go through and do other things, kind of sift through and see what else you want to do. You get your side view, camera, all sorts of stuff, air conditioning, blah, 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 transmission. But all I'm going to do is hit disconnect again, and then you pull your module out. I'm actually going to stay disconnected, but I just wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way in terms of once you're done coding, you can just remove that. You don't ride with that in the OBD2 port. Here's what I want you to see. So right now, that light is illuminated, so that means that auto start stop is off. That's what the light on means, that it is indicating that that feature is off. Now, if it was active, number one, it wouldn't be lit. Number two, you'd see that indicator. Turn that back on, then that disappears. Now, here's the catch as to why I was making mention of, for the most part, you're able to. So when you're shifting in your drive mode, so you've got Eco, Comfort, and Sport. All right, as long as you're in Sport and Comfort, Sport now, light is on. All right, we go down to Comfort, light is on. Now I'm just going to leave it there and I'm going to drop it to Eco. The light is now on. So because the start stop function is part of that drive feature, then it automatically turns the auto start stop back on, so that light goes off. The only reason I know that because the missus came out the next day after I told her I had done all these great things to the car and told me that no, the auto start function is still working. You didn't code it out. And I realized that she probably was in the eco mode, which we do drive, especially when we go on long trips. That saves you some money. And you can change the eco mode to be set at a higher speed too. I'll tell you all about that in another video, so stay tuned. If you come back out of eco mode to comfort or sport, it's still going to be off until you turn that back on. Now, what I failed to mention, there is another area under the coding to where it remembers where auto start was the last time when you restart the car, is what I'm trying to say. So you want to hit that as well. Let me just show you. So I'm going back in the car access system. All right, so we're back in. So what you want is this one right here, auto start function memory. That is active, so it's going to save the last used auto start function setting the next time you start the car. So basically, when I stop the car and then restart it the next time I'm in, I want it to have that same memory of the auto start function being turned off. So that's what you want to do there. And again, I'm just going to back on out. I am done. Disconnect, and we are good to go. And I'm going to remove the module. So we are done.